News 13 Skywarn weather.
And the rain is on its way across parts of New Mexico, and even up here into the Durango area, we're seeing a few showers drifting on and off throughout this afternoon and into this evening. So what's going to be happening tonight? We'll start to see those skies clear up. Those storms will kind of die down a little bit. Temperatures will drop into the 50s. But tomorrow, wouldn't be surprised to see some more spot storms out there. Temperatures in the 60s tonight in Farmington. Storms again will kind of cool off, and then tomorrow mid-90s with partly cloudy skies. Right now 88 degrees in Durango, 96 in Farmington, 88 in Cortez. Quite hot down to the south, triple-digit heat, and wind speeds across the board pretty quiet for us across the state, with the exception of a few areas that happen to be in the vicinity of some of these thunderstorms that have produced, or at least that have developed this afternoon. Across the southwest, we're seeing some showers and storms off into Arizona, up into Utah, and of course here in Colorado and down into New Mexico. That's going to be the trend again for tomorrow, but you actually may see a little bit more action out there as a result of a few things going on here. One, of course, we got this big ridge of high pressure. We got the heat and the moisture coming in from the west behind this front, or from the east rather. Temperatures will be in the 80s behind the front. Albuquerque will see 80s, 90s in the Farmington area and into Durango, and actually this moisture will push up against the Continental Divide, and so we are going to see a good portion of these showers tomorrow. Of course, the best chances will be east of the Central Mountain Chain, but still, we will have plenty of moisture to work with. In addition, we'll be watching those areas around the mountainous regions where we have a tendency of producing those showers and storms. So overnight tonight, things quiet down, but tomorrow, check out what happens. Much of the southern reaches of Colorado, we'll see those showers. We'll see a few spotty areas which will be a little bit stronger, and off into the north and east and portions of New Mexico we'll see the best chances for showers. That will continue through early Wednesday morning, and then we'll see another round Wednesday afternoon, especially out into the western areas of the state. So what's going to happen if we do see any showers, at least for today and a good part of tomorrow as well, because the air has been so dry, is that we'll actually see some moisture moving in up above, but still we'll have a hard time at least getting some of this moisture to, or at least some moistening of the atmosphere to see some of this hit the ground. So as a result, we'll see some dry lightning out here, meaning little to no rain, little less than 1/10 of an inch at best. And so that could produce some fire concerns there, of course, due to lightning. So across the nation right now, we're seeing some showers for the western areas of the states, back off towards the east as well. Pretty good line of storms marching across the midsection and down towards the southeast. Right now, we're 95 in Albuquerque, 84 in Denver, 87 in Los Angeles, 66 in San Francisco. And tomorrow looks to be another hot one across much of the west. 100 degrees in Boise, 71 in San Francisco, and 86 in Los Angeles. A little bit closer to home now. As mentioned before, we will see a few showers popping on and off throughout the rest of this evening, and especially into tomorrow, with highs up into the 90s. A little bit cooler for us across most areas, and we'll keep it that way for the next couple of afternoons. Thursday could be a little bit drier for us, but more shower activity heading to Friday and into the weekend as we get another front very similar to the one we're getting right now pushing into the region. Highs in the low 90s for Farmington tomorrow, scattered showers and storms.